We will conduct inspection tomorrow po.
Tomorrow, sir, attorney?
I will advise my client to cooperate, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I would expect na by tomorrow you will allow entry to the inspectors of Dole.
Yes, Your
Tama?
Honor.
Okay. And then you report to me right away, Director Mirasol, ma'am, ano po yung nangyari sa ginawa niyo pag-inspection, and then full compliance dun sa nabanggit ko na yung mga sweldo, back wages, may balik sa
We
mga
will do,
ginagawa.
Your Honor.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Your Honor.
IFP Manufacturing. Where's IFP Manufacturing Corporation?
Good afternoon, Mr. Senator, Your Honor.
Okay, legal counsel, attorney Penelope Capistrano. Did I pronounce your name?
Yes,
Right.
Your Honor.
Thank you, attorney. Attorney, you know what? Yung mga kliyente mo, when I went there sa office, tinawag ako sa office eh. Kasi gusto ko pagkausap ko sila, transparent, nandyan yung mga staff ko, nandyan yung mga tao. I was called inside the office of your amo, and then meron daw kakausap sa akin human rights. Wow! Pumunta ako doon para proteksyonan ang karapatang pantao ng mga manggagawa, and then there's this someone from human rights calling me. Actually, former Commissioner of Human Rights siya. At gusto mag-arbor. Ba't pa siya naging Commissioner ng Human Rights? Di ba dapat, kaya pala walang nangyayari sa mga pobre nating kababayan na palagi nila pastangan ng kanilang mga karapatan dahil ang Commission on Human Rights ay sa halip na protektahan yung mga maliit nating kababayan at pinoprotektahan yung mga nasa itaas. But anyway, that's besides the point now. So, Pakyawan, nagpapa-implement na Pakyawan ang inyong kumpanya na hindi naman pala authorized, piece rate na tawagin, hindi nagbabayad ng overtime. 12 hours ang duty, no overtime pay, no benefits, no holiday pay. Ma'am, anong comment niyo po doon?
We will look into that, Your Honor, because after the inspection yesterday, we have discussed the results of the inspection of Dole,
Mhm.
and the management and some key employees are discussing the matter, Your Honor, with regard to compliance and also to rethink about some company policies, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Dole, nakapag-inspect na kayo sa kanila?
Yes, Your Honor, yesterday po.
Okay, and ano po yung result sa inyong investigation?
On the general labor standards, Your Honor, they failed to present the employment records covering the period 2024 up to the present, and for all the workers, Your Honor, and that there is no proof of payment for 13th-month pay for all workers for the year 2024.
Okay.
And of course, the service incentive leave for all daily paid workers covering the year 2024. And yun ang mga underpayment of overtime pay, Your Honor.
Overtime pay sa lahat ng mga empleyado hindi nabigay for 2024. How many employees does your client have, attorney? Do you know?
Around 140 to 160 employees, Your Honor. As to the overtime pay and 13th month pay, the Human Resource Department are now collating proofs of payment, Your Honor, and checking which employees were not given and which were given, Your Honor. I think they have records.
They have records.
Yes, Your Honor. We
Well,
will
inspect them
submit.
Dole.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll submit with
At
the
hindi pwedeng wala kayong maibigay
Yes,
back
Your Honor.
wage. Kalukuhan yun, hindi ako maniniwala.
Mm.
Otherwise, isipin ko nagsabuatan na kayo ng Dole. So talagang dapat merong
Yes, Your
makatanggap ng
Honor.
back wage. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sabi mo sa amo mo, magsanla na ng mga ari-arian kasi milyones to. At syempre, natutuwa ako. In fact, right now, I'm very, very happy kasi at least nakakuha na ng hustisya itong mga magagawa natin. Makakuha pa lang. Ito namang MLM Foods. Are you here? from ML Foods.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mr. Chair, just to set the record, the adverse finding is not against MLM Foods Incorporated. The adverse finding during the inspection was against one of Element Foods Incorporated's duly accredited independent job contractor, which is the same less than 24 hours from the time we were notified of the supposed compliance gaps. We convened with CTHRM Corporation, the said independent contractor, and we made sure that CTHRM complies or rectifies the supposed compliance gaps. And just 2 hours ago, Your Honor, we received information and a copy of a report from Dole titled "In the Matter of Labor Inspection Conducted at MLM Foods, Inc." It is dated May 26, 2025. It says the noted findings on general labor standards for contractor CTHRM Corporation are fully rectified.
and I've heard nagbayad kayo ng 1.25 million, tama? Sa 26 female workers nyo.
Sorry, not MLM Foods Incorporated, Your Honor, but CTHRM.
As
Upon,
contractor.
yes, the contractor.
Pero
Upon,
kayo nag-hire sa CTHRM.
yes, sir.
And these employees na agrabyado, they work in your premises. So,
Yes, Mr.
in a way,
Chair.
responsibility nyo pa rin yun, indirectly though. Tama?
That's precisely the reason, Your Honor. As soon as we received the supposed inspection report, we made sure that our contractor complies and rectifies these compliance gaps.
So, yeah, pakisabi dun sa inyong contractor, wag naman babae itong may-ari ng kumpanya niyo, may asawa ba to? Sino ba may-ari ng company niyo? I mean, yung may-ari ng yung contractor ninyo.
I apologize, Your Honor. I'm not,
Okay.
I do not
Kasi alam niyo
personally-
ginagawa, pag mga babae, discriminated against. Pag mga lalaki, maganda ang treatment. Mga babae, bibili ng uniforme, bibili ng boots. Mga lalaki, libre. Mga babae, walang holiday pay. Mga lalaki, meron. Mga babae, walang overtime pay. Mga lalaki, meron. I mean, sobrang discriminated ang mga kababaihan doon. So tell this contractor agency and CTHRM, sibakin nyo na lang, kuha na lang kayo ng bago para hindi na kayo mapahamak. Kasi the way you explained to me, it seemed na ang may problema yung CTHRM, hindi talaga kayo. Pero again, responsibility nyo pa rin yan dapat, ma'am. Minomonitor nyo dapat. Kasi that's inside your premises kung ano yung activities within the area.
We will tell
Special
our,
place.
Mr. Chair, we will tell our client about your advice. But to our knowledge, there was no finding of discrimination, at least based on the inspection report that was forwarded to us or that was furnished us. There was no finding of discrimination relative to MLM or the employees assigned in MLM Foods, Inc. Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
so
But nevertheless, we will
rectify
we note-
nyo. Okay.
we note your advice and we will make sure to relay that to our contractor.
Thank you, Attorney Maydi Vinagrancia and MLM Foods. Thank you for complying. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Paabot
Chair.
niyo po yung aking pasasalamat sa pagko-comply sa management ng MLM. Ngayon naman, Millennium Ocean Star Corporation. Nandito ba? Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po. I'm Emerald Uy, representing Millennium Ocean Star Corporation.
Miss Emerald?
Yeah, we had a technical conference with the DOLE last week. So we'll be setting another conference to be able to find everything to determine how much we're gonna pay to the affected workers, sir.
Yung mga ipis at saka mga butikin, ayos
Okay
na
naman po yun, sir. Naayos naman na po
yung mga
namin.
langaw, wala na po.
Opo, naayos naman po.
Okay, good. Pakyawan.
So we have 9 affected workers for the piece rate. So we are
9? Hindi lang po 9. Marami po sila.
we have only 9 affected workers ng piece rate. The other are regular.
No, ma'am. When
No.
nung nandoon po, no, ma'am.
No, there are yung mga iba po are daily workers, regular daily workers.
Dole, in-inspect niyo pa yung records nila? No, kasi May nakausap ako, more than 9 yung nakausap ko po, napakyawan sila. So
We have
don't tell me na nagsisinungaling yung mga nakausap ko. Of
We
course,
have the list
nag-ano.
of workers, sir. For
I
the
know.
daily.
I
Yes,
know.
sir.
So, ibabanggayan ngayon yung HR records ninyo and then
Yes, sir.
Dolly, I want you to go back there and then interview one by one. Lahat ng empleyado nila.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, meron po, may partial lang po yung computation. Hindi pa po lahat, Your Honor. So, we will make sure that tingnan po natin lahat ito. And there is a scheduled conference po, but we can go there and check again, Your Honor.
At walang sick leave po, Miss Uy. Walang sick leave yung mga.
Yung service incentive leave, sir, we would be computing it also for
Good.
the daily workers,
So,
for
di
the
ba,
regular workers.
Dole, allowed sa batas natin na 5 days service sick leave, about incentive leave ang ating mga empleyado. Paid yun. Pag hindi sila nagkasakit, di na-claim yun, pwede may convert sa cash yun. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Miss Uy, malaki
Yes, sir. The management had agreed to that.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
that will be also included in the computation. So hopefully for our next conference with the DOLE, the total compensations will be given to the affected workers.
Thank you, ma'am. Lastly po, proper ventilation.
Yeah, yes, sir. We had already purchased an exhaust fan for that. So
Yeah,
pinapagawa na po.
thank you, ma'am. Kasi when I was there, ako mismo, para mahimatay na, hindi ako makahinga. Just imagine those poor workers, they will work there every day for 10, 12, 13 hours. Magkakasakit mo ngayon. Pag tumagal-tagal, magkakasakit mo ngayon.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Diba? Baka magkasakit sila sa lungs. Kasi sobrang hirap makahinga. Alright. So, Dole, gusto ko mabigyan niyo ako ng report na full compliance na sila and then nabayaran na yung mga workers.
Yes, Your Honor. Naka-schedule po ito for next week, Your Honor.
Sion Incorporated, Silang Cavite, Asayon.
Good afternoon, Senator. I am Attorney Rosette Gaylan, External Counsel for CON, Your Honor.
Attorney, nabigyan na ba in full yung 13-month pay ng mga lahat ng mga manggagawa?
Yes, Your Honor. The company already complied and gave the balance of the 13th month pay of the employees, Your Honor.
Lahat.
Ah,
Dole, verified ba yan? Nabigay? Ilan po ba yun?
We have not submitted yet the compliance report to DOLE because we were given 20 days to comply.
20 days, okay. How many employees does Sion have?
500 employees.
500. Naku, magbenta ng mga ari-arian yung kliyente mo. 500 employees
Um,
sa 13-month pay,
Senator,
marami-rami yan.
there was also already a partial payment of the 13th month for
Partial.
2024.
Sa 500. Kasi
That's
2 years ata hindi nabigay na 13-month pay.
2024 only, Your Honor.
2024 only. So for those 500 employees, the 13-month pay hasn't been given yet?
It's already
Or sabi niyo
all the-
partial?
No, before the inspection, there was already partial payment of the 13 months, and the rest was already paid.
Okay, how about those employees na marami sila lumapit sa akin at dinubog nga ako nila na nagsabi pa sa tulong po, Sir Rafi, kalahati lang ng kanilang sweldo ang ibinibigay sa kanila.
With regard to the underpay, I believe that was also part of the inspection report.
Yes.
Your
So naibigay na in full?
we are already computing the underpayment. It is between September 2024 to December 2024, Your Honor, and the company is already computing and will comply with the directive of the DOLE with regard to the underpayment.
I just want to make clear to everybody here, the lawyers representing their clients, I'm not anti-business. Matter of fact, I'm pro-business because without the business, we don't have this economy. Importante sa ekonomiya natin ang mga negosyo, pero ilagay natin sa tama. Huwag naman yung tatapakan natin yung mga maliit nating kababayan as we go along na palaguin yung business empire natin, ninyo, ng mga kliyente ninyo. maawa naman kayo sa mga